Lashes here, and I'm back again with another video. And today's video is basically like, come along with me on this Sunday. Is March 27th and it is 2:30. And yeah, so I'm off at my other job, so I'm working today. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe before I get into this video. Also, go ahead and check my 75% off sale. Links will be in the description box below to my website. Go check it out. So I started this sale on the 21st. It's currently the 27th, so it's been a week. And y'all, I've been doing good. I have had 2 orders. I just got an order today, and I also got one on the 25th. And again, this is the 27th. So yeah, I'm grateful. My biggest order, her name is Brandy. Thank you so much, Brandy. She's from my state, period. Supporting small local business, period. Sorry, y'all. The camera a little too high for me. But she ordered, how many products she ordered? She ordered 5 products, so I'm grateful for that. This is Kirsten's order. I have not did Brandy's order yet because I just received her order not even 30 minutes ago. But this is Kirsten's order. Thank you so much for purchasing with me. I gave plenty of extras in here. She only got a moisturizing body drip and sugar cookie scented. So I gave her a body scrub mini. I also gave her a face mask and a sample of our body butter, so she can kind of like sample it out and see if she wants to try it and order it. The big samples, okay? The big ones. Not the samples, sorry. But the big ones, okay? So I got her this. All I gotta do is put a label on it and ship it out tomorrow, which I'm probably gonna ship it out tomorrow. I don't know. 9 times out of 10, I'm shipping it tomorrow. I have to scale her packages, her package 2, and scale the Brandy Girl package 2. And I got this scale on Amazon. I'm not looking at the down below. Just type up scale and you got it. So that's what I've been on, just packing orders. Also, you guys, I did post for today on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe once again, because I love you guys. And I also did some short videos, so go check out them short videos. Ooh, y'all, got another order. I got another order, y'all. Ooh, y'all can't even see that. I just got another order, y'all. You can't really see it, but she's from New York, y'all. I think I have an order already like shipped out in New York, so I don't have to like cross out anything. But I did print off me a map, like y'all seen like letter down videos. But let me show y'all my map. I'll be right back. So this is the map that I have, and it basically shows all the places that I've shipped to. And yeah, so New York is crossed out, in Illinois. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much though. I have a couple more states to fill in. Y'all need to be the ones to help me fill this in all the way, okay, y'all? But I'm finna stop talking and basically show y'all me getting her products, Brandy's products together, and ready to get shipped out, and how I get my products shipped out, basically, and get ready for them to get gone. I'm not even finna stuff that box no more, because I still have a lot of stuff to put in here. Well, like the business card, the thank you card. So I'm gonna just wait on this order so I can get a big box, because yeah, this is a huge order. Okay, so I'm gonna just wait and get a bigger box. But this is kind of how it looks like now, what it look like now. Yeah, it's stuffed in here, so I'm gonna get a bigger box probably tomorrow. Cause she got a lot of goodies. Okay, a lot of goodies. A lot of goodies. Okay, guys, so it's been like 3 or 4 days later. It's April 1st today. And you guys, I shipped out them other orders that I filmed. And it was only like 1, but I had gotten 3 more orders. These will be shipped out tomorrow. But you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Our sale is still going on. We have a little bit more items on the shelf that needs to be gone. And yeah, you guys. Mwah.